How many grams of toner to refill a Hewlett-Packard cartridge? If you are buying from a toner supplier, they have bottles with a proper capacity for every models of a cartridge. But if you use bulk toner or universal toner, you need to know the gram load of your cartridge. In the description of this video, you'll find a list of cartridges with toner capacity. The weights are in grams. I'll update the list as new Hewlett-Packard models come out. If your printer is not in the list, write a comment. I'll insert your model in the list. Remember, it's not important to insert the exact quantity of toner into the cartridge. 10 grams more or less does nothing. You can even fill the cartridge up to the limit. The printer will print the same, but probably you'll waste toner. The chip of the cartridge will send the low error message after it reaches the expected number of prints for that model. Not important how much toner is left into the cartridge. Several Hewlett-Packard models allows you to continue to print after the low toner error message appears. But if you print too much with the cartridge without at least cleaning the internal components, it could happen that the print quality drops, the waste toner hopper becomes full, and the cartridge loses toner inside the printer. Another problem, if you insert too much toner, inside the toner hopper there are toner steering blades. They rotate, mixing the toner and pushing the toner towards the toner roller. If there is too much toner, it could bind, causing a tooth of the gear to break or a damage to the printer. Note that often you can't refill a low yield cartridge with the grams of the high yield toner cartridge. The toner container is smaller. As general rules, an Hewlett-Packard black toner cartridge uses 20 grams of toner to print 100 pages. It means that if your cartridge has an expected yield of 40,000 pages, you have to use around 200 grams of toner. That's all. I repeat, if your printer model or cartridge isn't in the list, write a comment. I'll add it to the list. Bye.